Hello guys, and welcome once again to another stream, another video, another YouTube video where we share with you quality content regarding the financial markets and how you can actually realize consistent profitability on the market. So in today's episode, I'm just going to be sharing a quick analysis on CRASH300. So if you remember, on the previous videos that we did, CRASH300, it went all the way as we expected. Boom 300 went our way. Crash 1000 went our way. Boom 1000 went our way as well. All of the, if ever you didn't watch the videos, you can go to the previous videos and watch all the analysis that we did on all those crash and boom instruments. So here I'm simply going to analyze CRASH300. So CRASH300, this is what I'm looking at. If ever you want to be part of my team, part of my community, you can feel free to join us through the description. The links in the description. There's a WhatsApp link in the description, WhatsApp group link in the description. There's a Telegram link, Discord link. There's also my WhatsApp number there in the description. Feel free to contact me and be part of this amazing team where we share with you quality secrets regarding the financial markets and make sure that you actually make as much money as possible from this crash and boom indices that you are trading. So without wasting much time, here we can see that we broke structure there, meaning this is my previous lower low. So previous lower low, previous major lower high. So here the bottom here, for this low here to be a lower low, this market has to come and create a change of character here, so which is what we are simply waiting for. So CRASH300, we're simply waiting. Once we get that change of character, I'm expecting a pullback into this demand, pullback into demand, then we continue going up. This will be our first target and second target there, before maybe it continues coming down like this. So this is my lookout for CRASH300. This is my analysis for CRASH300. What I'm simply waiting for, this may take a day or two for this market to break and create that change of character. Once you now have that change of character, it means we simply wait for a pullback. Once we get the pullback, then we can enter our trade there, we can enter our buys there on that demand zone. So obviously we don't enter our trades on the daily. We simply go down to a lower time frame, like the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Those are our entry time frames. Daily 4 hour, I use those ones for analysis. Then 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, those are for taking our position. So this one is my target. So the final target is always negative 100%, is 100%, which is the previous high, because it can actually come and test there and start to go down. It will still be a bearish order flow market. So this is what I'm looking forward to on CRASH300. So now we are simply waiting. CRASH300, we are in. If ever you're not in, you can also wait with us, wait for this change of character. Once it happens, wait for the pullback into the demand, then you take your buys from there. Once the pullback happens, we take our trades, as I said, on 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minutes. That's where we enter our trades, then we hold all the way to those. So this is also going to be a very beautiful swing trade for CRASH300. Moving on to boom 300. Boom 300, what I like about Boom 300 is that it has already done what we are waiting for CRASH300 to do. Boom 300 has already done what we are waiting for CRASH300 to do. So which is a good thing for us, because it means we are going to enter the Boom 300 earlier as we are waiting for CRASH300. Boom 300. So Boom 300, the good part about Boom 300, just to share with you one of the little mysteries that I've discovered. Boom 300 and CRASH300, they have what I call a delayed direct correlation. The delayed direct correlation, it simply means that either one of them, it follows what the other is doing, but it's always following behind. It's always behind. So here, if you look at market structure, I have my supply zones that were not retested there, so especially this one, which the market can actually come and tap into that supply, which is also an order block, before dropping and continuing with the bearish order flow. So this is Boom 300. If you check, this was order flow that was being respected. Demand, supply, push out of the supply, break structure. After break structure, pull back into the supply. So either we wait for the break of structure for the pullback, or sometimes can even pull back before the break of structure here. Break of structure here, break of structure here, break of structure. After the break of structure, we waited for a pullback into the supply, you would have sold there. Then here came back again into this supply. So here, if you check, it actually came back into the supply before breaking structure here. So meaning the two trades, you could have entered this one before even this break of structure down there, and this other one that we are actually now anticipating the market to boom all the way into before it drops. So here it can actually come and drop. Then now, if ever it breaks there, if ever it comes all the way from where we're expecting here and breaks here, it means we're going to simply wait for a pullback before a continuation up to that supply at the top there, which is also an order block there at the top. But so far, this is the analysis on boom 300. Right now, what I like is that we have the internal change of character already, which is what crash 300 we're waiting for. We're waiting for it to give us this before coming back down. So it can actually come back down before giving us that. It's also fine. We'll enter on that demand zone. So here, this is where our entry is. This is where our entry is on boom 300. This is my entry point. There, as I said, 1 hour we enter, 1 hour we enter, 30 minutes I enter, 15 minutes I also enter. So this is the zone. Demand, change of character, pullback. We expect a pullback into demand, and we have a slight fair value gap there, which is a beautiful zone to enter there. So this one, you can even go down to 4 hours, 1 hour, just to refine that zone. But that's the zone that we are anticipating swing buys for boom 300. So all of the opportunities that I'm showing you now, they're actually swing opportunities. Opportunities that you can actually hold for days, if not a week or 2 weeks, just holding one setup, one trade opportunity, which is a good thing, because you actually realize full maximum earning potential of that particular setup, which is what trading is all about. Trading is all about maximizing the full move, because the market moves in swings. It swings up, it swings down, swings up, swings down, swings up, swings down, swings up, swings down. That's the nature in which the market moves. So yeah, if you ever want to refine the zone based on 4 hour, I think it's around this. Let me see, between there's this one, this demand here, that's the demand that was not mitigated, that's the demand that was not retested. So basically, once the market comes into that zone, we simply wait for our confirmation entries, our confirmation for entries, which is the change of character. Once we get the change of character, we wait for the pullback, change of character, pullback, then we enter those buys here. So this is a trade opportunity that can actually happen today or tomorrow. This is a trade opportunity that you can actually take swing buys for boom 300. Remember, once it gets into this zone, wait for confirmations, wait for lower time frame confirmations, which are the ones that I've just stated. Those are the confirmations that you want as well here, in as much as that's a first confirmation, second confirmation test to happen there on the lower time frames. So once that happens, you actually enter and hold all the way to the first zone of targeting. So here, if ever we want to refine this zone, it will actually realize that it's this supply at the top here according to 4 hour, which can actually give us a bigger risk to reward, which is around 1:12. This is 1:12 risk compared to reward, which is actually worth it. It's worth it. So remember, once it comes into the zone, wait for a change of character and pullback, into a demand fair value gap or order block. Once we do that, then you can actually enter our swing buys on boom 300. If you also want to add further confluences, which is actually part of our strategy, our strategy is deeper than what I'm saying. But if ever you want to be part of our community, part of our strategy, part of our mentorship class, part of our team, you can simply join us through the links in the description, through the number in the description. You can feel free to contact us there. We can actually add you to our mentorship groups, actually add you to our mentorship class, where we share these deep secrets concerning all the crash and booms, concerning the US30, Nasdaq, concerning any instrument that you might want to trade. We have all the secrets, we have all the keys. So this is the entry point for the boom 300, the boom 300 buys, swing buys. This is the entry point, that's the entry point, that's the entry point. So crash 300, we're simply waiting for this, then boom, 300 is already happened. So already now we're just waiting for the market to come into the zone. Once it's into the zone, we get the change of character and pull back on the lower time frame, 15 minutes or 30 minutes, or even 1 hour. Once you get that, you enter your buy and hold all the way to that zone. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for like the video, share the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because these sessions are going to be happening on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to be sharing this deep analysis. I'm going to be analyzing your favorite instruments, crash and bombs, step index, fix 100, fix 75. I'm going to be analyzing all your pairs. If ever you want to always be up to date with all these other setups that I don't share on the YouTube channel, feel free to join the community through the links in the description, and also contact me via WhatsApp through the number in the description. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next upcoming video.